Welcome back, YouTube. Wow, it has been a long time since I've been to this spot. I'm out here on the Milwaukee River in the West Bend. If you guys know my channel, if you guys been following me for a long time, I have a like an old footage of me fishing this area, this stretch here. I don't know how long ago, but yeah, I basically fished that bridge over there and just walked the whole path down. But this looks completely different. I don't remember looking at it this way. So yeah, I don't know what to expect. I hope there's smallies here, there's bass, pike, whatever I can catch. So we're gonna throw some topwater, some tubes, and some Sinkos and stuff like that to see if we can get a bite or two. I don't have much time, I have about like 4 hours, so I waited for the sun to come up just a little bit so that way it pushes the bass into like the shady areas, the obvious areas, under the bridge, under the laydowns, and you see the laydowns over there. So it looks beautiful, it looks nice, I can't wait. It's so good to be back to this spot again. It has been a while since I fished this area, so stay tuned and I'll see you guys on this awesome river. Alright, so here's a tip for you guys. You guys are waiting. I like to wear like sport leggings. These aren't girl leggings, so chill out. Like basketball layers or whatever. And I like wearing steel toe boots. Why? Protects your toes from the rocks. They have a better grip. And if you don't mind getting wet, then this is what you wear. Unless you have a bunch of money and you want to buy like expensive waders, then sure. But this is my setup right here. $30 steel toe boots. Some, just some leggings so the leeches and stuff can't latch on you, whatever. And some socks. That way, if rocks do get in, you're not creating any blisters down there, So yeah, it's nice and comfortable. Works great. Plus, it's gonna be 90 later, so I don't mind getting wet. Like, it's gonna be awesome. So this is my little setup right here. Can't forget these. You need your glasses. Alright, car. I'll see you in a bit. Wow, they like made some stairs here too. What the heck? I've never seen this. I'm throwing this like really cool topwater lure. You guys don't know this, like the Pompadour from Jackal. As you can see, they got a ton of marks on there. This has been through hell and back. And I just saw smallies spook off, so that's a really good sign. It's fairly shallow here, so I'm gonna keep walking a little bit. Whoa! Oh no! Did you guys see that? That was a big fish. What the heck? Yo! What the heck was that? That scared the crap out of me. Oh my god, my freaking heart. Bro, the thing was massive. I think it was a pike. Oh my gosh. And he like gave me a bird nest. Got him. Oh no! Whoa, what the heck? Oh my god, what's going on? What happened to my line? What the heck? Yo, I just had a giant blow up. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. You saw that? Why are they missing? They're huge too. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch my bait up. Not because I don't believe in it, but I'm gonna try like a different presentation, Maybe something not so radical. Just something more like just pop, twitch, pop. So I'm gonna try something else. Let's go with this mega bass lure. Let's see if we can donate this guy to pikes. Do you think it's a good idea? Yeah, maybe we'll find out, right? We'll find out real quick. It's a good idea. Alright, back to where I started. I'm gonna go ahead and just wait up to that bridge. I'm gonna go to the second spot. I mean, I could just walk there, but I didn't want to. So, just gonna mess around here for a little bit. Oh, jeez, that's a far cast. Got him. That fish. Little guy. Small dude. There it is. Holy chunkiness. Why are you so chunky, bro? Jeez, relax. Relax, relax. Chill, chill, chill. Oh, you ate a head first. Oh, jeez, jeez. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Look at how fat and juicy that thing is. Just relax, right? You ate a head first. Nice. And if you're like 10 times bigger, you're picture worthy. Look how fat and cute it is. Look. Big old stomach. See ya. Nice. That's a nice fish actually. Real nice fish. Blew it right behind it. Oh, that's a nice smallie. Jeez, 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 stay away from me, bro. We're gonna go. And the blow up was so soft too, I didn't even get a chance to set the hook. Wow, that's so cool. Look at him go. That's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish. Chill, buddy. Whoa, whoa. That's actually a really nice fish. Holy cow, and you ate it head first. So you guys see what I mean? I cast there like 3-4 times and then he finally took it. Man, these hooks are freaking razor sharp. I wish I had my phone on me, but it's okay. This is definitely pushing almost 2. I say almost 2. Still 1, but almost 2. Look how beautiful that fish is. See ya. Nice. So I drove to the other side to try and make my way back up, but let's just say they closed all the roads, like the park over there. So now I'm gonna have to walk like all the way down as far as I can and work my way back up to my car and hit up these old spots here again. It is what it is. It's gonna be a nice walk and we're gonna have a good time. If you guys want to catch more fish while waiting, you have to work your way upstream, okay? You cannot work downstream. I mean, you can, but the chance of you spooking the fish is higher if you work downstream. Why? You're walking, you're kicking, you're making noise, and that's just flushing down the river. And I guarantee you those bigger bass, those bass that are much more sensitive, they can hear you and they're out of there, you know? So again, you want to catch bigger fish, you want to catch more fish, you want your percentage to be higher, work upstream. I promise you, you'll find more fish that way. I'm definitely not a fan of wading downstream, but there's nothing I can do because oh, I just spooked some fish away. There's nothing I can do because they closed down the park and I can't work my way up. So I'm gonna try my best to stay on this side, right? And just cast over there, I guess. Just gotta be careful where I step. I say it's been a while since I've been here. And I know it's shallow, but these pockets are tricky. If you are unexperienced, don't do it, okay? I know it looks fun, but I don't recommend anyone doing it without like legit someone taking them or experience or something like that. Like doing this stuff that I'm doing, it could be fatal, right? So don't go out there thinking that you can do it on the first try. It takes a lot of practice to know where you're going, how to read the current, how to read the, you know, the pockets, how to see the pockets. You just don't come out here with a blind eye, you know? Like, though I've never been on this side before, I'm using my glasses, I'm using my, you know, my structure, I'm feeling the bottom, taking it nice and slow. Now right now it's not too bad, but you know, when you go into the darker spots, the spots that you can't see, it's obvious that you shouldn't be stepping in there because it might be deep. So just heads up, guys. Don't be doing crazy stuff because you see me doing it. I know it looks fun. Be careful, be safe. Just be careful. Like right here, I can see the bottom. Right over there, I can't see the bottom. So I'm not gonna step over there. I'm gonna assume it's deeper than me, or at least close to it. That way I don't fall in. We'll stay on this side where I know there's grass on this side and it's shallow. I can see the bottom. I know what I'm doing. Those of you who don't know, this is like one of my favorite smallmouth lure. Alright, So easy to use. You just basically cast it, you can swim it, you know, just cast and retrieve, or you can bounce it at the bottom, drag it at the bottom, hop it at the bottom. This thing works amazing. By the way, it's a Gipit bait tube, and it is just awesome. This thing have caught me hundreds of smallies from all sizes. Got one. Yep, it's not big. Not giant, but it'll do. Whacked them. Nice fish. Back, and it goes right back to the spot. Bunch of little guys. But to be honest, the last couple outing, I've been catching a lot of these. That's why I haven't been making a video, because it's just, you know, smallies. I don't know if you guys like that stuff. I don't feel like I'm wasting y'all time, but there's a ton of them. It's fun. It's just know what I'm looking for. That's a nice one. Nope, still running. Just like that, guys. Look how fat they are. So chunky. Super chunky fish. Look how thick it is. Thick girl. Alright, so look at this. Current, break. Right in between that, it should be a fish right here. Got him. Just like that. Just obvious points, guys. Oh, chunky, healthy fish. Smallies, usually when there's like one little one like this, that means there's multiple. Go back in the current. Now look, check this out, right? You got current and shade. Hit up that shade. Don't be afraid to cast over there. That one. It's a nice one too. Hey, here we go. Textbook. Jeez, they're just so mean. See ya. Whoa! That's a big one. Jeez. Still came out of nowhere. Oh. Still came out of nowhere. What the heck? He was there the whole time. Dude, that's a nice fish. Not a big one, but came out of nowhere. Oh, yeah. Finally, a decent fish. Oh, that was way cool. Wow. Freaking popper, mini popper here. Holy smoke. Finally a decent fish, guys. Decent fish. Woo! That spooked me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Got whacked again. Got him, jeez. Nice. That's so cool, dude. They're not big, but they're feisty. That is so cool how that works. Well guys, that is it. I'll see you guys back at the car. Hold up. Holy cow guys, I don't know what I look like right now. I know I look disgusting. It got hot, like 90 plus degrees. To us that's pretty hot here in Wisconsin. So I'm wrapping it up. It was a great outing. It was a struggle, not because we couldn't find fish, we just couldn't find any like big ones for the video. But hopefully I taught you guys something today. I tried to throw in some tips and like how to locate the fish and all that. Again, come out here, try it out. It's a lot of fun. You can pretty much do it anywhere, like on the river, as long as you find like shallow breaks and stuff like that. Yeah, smallie fishing is a lot of fun. I'll be doing it more often. I love bass fishing. I say that over and over again. I don't know, I could just never get enough of it. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.